Hi guys, it's Jim Bounds at Motorhome Rehab Ranch, and for you weekly guys that are following me, sorry about being off, but man, when it's 30s in Florida, it is cold, man. It is cold. Yeah. So it's a full-time job just staying warm down here. So anyway, listen guys, over the last couple of weeks, I've been feeling a lot of calls about the video that I did on early style window felts, the wire type. Okay. And I reviewed the video. I kept having to kind of help folks through how to run the wires through. I mean the felts through. And I reviewed the video, and I did a pretty decent job of explaining the history of it, but I did a really poor job. Okay, a really poor job at talking about how to install the wire felt. Okay, so this is going to be an episode 2 that that digs more into it, because on the episode 1, the window I did, some early style windows just won't work. Very seldom, but the one I did the video with decided not to work. And I did show that, and in the frustration, I didn't show what happens when it does work well. So that's what I'm going to do now, okay? And over here is our handy uh, iPad. Now, these pictures will also be on the Patreon page, so you'll be able to look at them better, okay? Now, remember, if you're on YouTube, I said Patreon page, click on this QR code right here, and it will take you to our Patreon page. And there you'll see this video again. Just scroll, when you hit the page, just scroll down. You'll see this video again, and below it, you'll see all the pictures that were put in here. Okay? All right. So, and also, we have a website, motorhomerehabranch.com. So go there, peruse it. Not much there yet, but register. If you'd like to get a t-shirt, you can. All right. This is where I left off. And we had the window, okay? We had the window with the excuse me, with the wire felts in it, right? Now, when I did the window on episode 1, and I hope if you watched that, and if you haven't, go back and watch it. But on that one, I talked about how to put the vertical felt in that we produced when I was at co-op, and that was fine. And we talked about how to chamfer the edges and all that kind of stuff. But when it came to the windows, I missed a couple of steps. Now, pay attention. First thing you want to do is you want to get the channel clean. 50 years of goop and pucky and corrosion and things like that have gotten on there. So what I do is I take a piece of sandpaper, 180, 220, something like that, fold it over and put it on the glass and move the glass back and forth, because that will, you certainly want to get the channel right behind that middle part right there that you can't reach. You want to get that clean. So put the sandpaper on there and run the window back and forth, and don't sand the window. But hold the sandpaper on the window, maybe a piece of cloth or something, and move it back and forth, and that will sand both sides and the bottom of that channel and make it slippery so you can slip something through there. Does that make sense? All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to clean all that stuff out. Clean all that stuff out. And you can even sand it into this area too. You follow what I mean? Just sand it nice and smooth. All right. Next thing. This is a PB Blaster, but you could use WD-40 or a silicone lube or anything. Right at that point, right there, right where the glass uh, never leaves. I mean, you can't get to the track. Lube it up. Okay. Now, wait a minute, did I get backwards? Anyway, it doesn't matter. Here. Then lube it up, take the channel and stick it. See how it's stuck under? See right there? How it's stuck under just as far as you can get it. Make sense? All right. Then you pull the window over. Pull the window glass over until that piece sticks out, or until you grab it with the wire and then pull the glass and the felt together. That way the felt will come out, then you can push the glass, you can get to it. Then you tilt it up on the back of it and then pull the window over. And that will pull the felt over. You pull it over till it drops in the channel. And I got this one out of sequence. You pull it over until it drops into that channel right there. Now, as you guys know, you have 4 breaks in the frame of a early style window. And each break has no locators and has no gasket in it. So if you look here, about 5 years ago, what I did is bag that off and I put sealant on there. I use black RTV. You can use whatever you've come up with, but it wants to be something that will adhere to aluminum, that cures slick on the surface so it doesn't grab any dirt into it. You follow? So anyway, you pull the window over until it hits right where it needs to be. Now, look right here. You see how the felt is pushed down in there a little bit and how it's up here? Now, it's under the glass. You see how it's raised up a little bit and here it's lower? You see what I'm saying? All right. Well, what you do, you take, now this is important. After the lower, now the upper's not on yet. Take a paint scraper and a rubber mallet, put it right next to the glass and push down. Push down on the felt to push it in the channel. You see what I'm saying? Okay. All the way around. You see how down here it's low. And then here it's up higher. Now, especially around the curve, you've got to take that wire and it twists the wire inside the material inside. Twist the wire so it will go around this curve, and you tap it all the way around. See how that's down? This is up. You're going to tap it all the way around. Make sense? Okay. You go all the way around, then go to the top. Yeah, go all the way up. See here, right here. Perfect. Here it's out. Here it's in. See what I'm saying? So go on up, go do the top. Now you get up to the top. Pull the felt out to where you want it to stop. Make sense? But see the glass is in there. And cut it off. Now, take the end of it and stick it under the glass. Make sense? Stick it under the glass. Spray it with some kind of slip solution or something, whatever you were using. Again, I used PV Blaster because I had it. Then I found my WD-40. I probably would have used that. But stick it in there. Then you grab it with the needle nose and pull the felt and the glass at the same time. Because then the felt will come with the glass. Because you sanded it. Remember how we sanded the bottom. You're also going to sand the top where that area you can't get to. You pull the glass over, and the needle nose will help you pull the felt with the glass. Then you get it to the end, just like on the bottom. Get it to the end, you fold it over, and then you pull the glass and the felt over until the felt gets right there. And then you knock it in. Make sense? What you end up with is something to drive. We're going to talk here very shortly about the GMC International Spring Convention. And I want you guys to start making plans because I'm making plans. We've got some rendezvous rallies coming up. The next video will be about that. Okay, so pay attention. The next video will be here real quick, and let's see. Oh, I gotta talk to my wife. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your support, and we'll talk to you later.